How to remove your Tumblr blog from public view. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your blog page. Here you will see all the posts you have published. Choose the post you want to remove from public view and tap the pencil icon next to the delete icon. Then in the top right corner, tap the three vertical dots. A menu will appear. Select Post Privately. Tap Done and Save. This will make the selected Tumblr post private instead of public. Furthermore, you can also go to the settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner to open your blog settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Visibility. Here you will see several options like excluding your blog from search results, hiding it from people without an account, and more. Toggle these options on to remove your Tumblr blog from public view. Once enabled, your blog will no longer appear in the search results or be visible to users who don't follow you. Now you know how to remove your Tumblr blog from public view. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.